Welcome to my channel Art of Programming. I'm Dr. Etal Thakur. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to read and display image using computer vision library of Python. Open CV in your computer system. Python must be installed. Then go to the command prompt and type pip install opencv-python. This should install OpenCV library in your computer system. Python OpenCV library is installed in your system or not, go to the Python prompt and type over there import CV2. If it does not give any error, it means it has been installed successfully. We'll read the image file and display it using Python script. Image demo1.py. So here first of all I'm going to import the necessary library CV2. Now CV2 library has a function called imread, read the image. Now the image img1.jpg, this image is stored in the path where my Python file is stored, so I'm just typing the name of the file. In case if it is there in some other folder, you can definitely give the absolute path. Now whatever the output will be, I'm storing it inside a variable called img. So here imread will read the given image. To display it, CV2 library has another function called imshow. Here there are two arguments we have to pass. Number one, the name of the window. imshow will open up a new window where the image will be displayed. Now what we want as the window name, that will be the first argument. So here I say let the window name is original image. So I am giving original img. And what I want to display in that particular window. So here original img is the name of the window. Where it will be useful, I will show you very soon. Now what we want to display in that window, the image img contained in the variable img that I want to show. Now after doing this, when you run your program, Python image demo 1.py. So you can see it has output has came, but it has flashed and it has gone. It is not staying. So I'm typing cv2 another function cv2 dot wait key, cv2 dot wait key. Now passing 0 inside that. Now after writing this statement, let us see it once again. So now when I'm running the program, it stays on the screen until you can see there is a cursor here of having a sign plus. Now when I press enter, the window gets closed. So whenever I'm pressing any key from the keyboard, the window gets disappear. So wait key will wait until any key is pressed. Then the window gets destroyed. If you want that a screen should stay for 1000 milliseconds, then that also we can do. Let us do that once again. So now I'm not pressing any key, but after the given time duration, it gets closed. So now I've passed 5000. You can see that till the time it will stay on the screen and then automatically the window gets closed. So that was a wait key. There is another option. There is a function called cv2.destroy window. So whenever you want that all the windows should be destroyed, there is a function called destroy all windows that we will see in the subsequent videos. But destroy window function will destroy the window with the given name. So I want that the window with the name original img should be destroyed once it has shown me the output. So that we can do. Let us check this one here. And now, so it has closed as well as the resources are also released. So by means of destroy window, the resource occupied by that particular function is now removed. So it has been destroyed. So this we have seen using a Python script how to display the image and how to read the image. I will show you how to read and display the image using Jupyter Notebook. So here I am using library CV2 and img equal to cv2.imread, and I will give here the name of the image, that is img1.jpg. So let me run my cell here. There is no error. And now to display the image, here I am showing you the another way using matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So here I am going to show you displaying an image using matplotlib.pyplot. So plt.imshow. Here which image you want to show. So I am passing that the img, the variable img, the image contained by the variable img I wanted to show. So let me run the program. So you can see the output is there, but the color is different. What is the reason behind it? So the reason behind having the different type of color to this output image is because OpenCV and Matplot, OpenCV follows BGR order. So OpenCV follows BGR order, that is blue, green and red order. Whereas Matplotlib, the library, Matplotlib follows RGB order. So what? The thing is, whenever we are displaying an image loaded in OpenCV, so you can see that the image that we have read is using the CV2 library, but we are trying to show it using the Matplotlib library. So the BGR format is there in the OpenCV, and we are trying to show here using Matplotlib library. So it shows directly the BGR as an output. Want output as RGB color format, in RGB color format, one slight change I have to do is, so here I am writing plt, that is matplotlib.pyplot alias plt.imshow. First of all, I am going to convert this img to the RGB format. So how to do that is, CV2 library has a function called CVT color. This CVT color function will be used to convert one color format to other. So here we have to specify cv2.cvt color in bracket which image you wanted to convert. So I can say that the first argument img, I want to convert my img image into the other color format. Now here as in second argument I have to pass cv2.color underscore BGR to RGB. So here I am specifying that the image IMG is there. It is in the BGR format and I want to convert it into the BGR to RGB. So this CVT color function will do that, and whatever the output is there. Now here I can expand the step as, let us say, new IMG. Okay, and then here I am passing new IMG. So let us run this one. Now you can see the image has its original color format, that is RGB. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.